Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to talk about LinkedIn Business Manager. LinkedIn Business Manager is another feature of LinkedIn which LinkedIn provides, which is basically a situation wherein, let's say, if we are managing multiple LinkedIn ads accounts, pages, and have people, demographics, we can connect all of them together under one umbrella. So this will be like a dashboard in which we will be able to manage multiple LinkedIn ads accounts from one place. This becomes all the more easier to manage and much more organized way to manage multiple accounts in a right manner. So if there are a lot of businesses who have multiple LinkedIn ads accounts, or let's say agencies which have a lot of LinkedIn ads clients, they can make use of this business manager account. So they can go to their website, business manager account, and open an account with LinkedIn. And then they can link all the LinkedIn ads accounts into this manager account. And by doing so, they will be able to easily manage multiple LinkedIn ads accounts, pages very easily from one place. So let's have a look at this website, guys. So this is the website, guys, where we can come and we can sign up and open an account with Business Manager. Once you do that, then you can link the LinkedIn ads accounts to this manager account and they will start showing up over here. And you will be able to easily go to any account. You can make changes to the account. You can make changes to the pages as well and apply matched audiences on different accounts across all accounts will be possible. So this way, it becomes all the more easier to handle multiple LinkedIn ads accounts and pages from one place. I hope this makes sense and you understand now what is a business manager in LinkedIn ads. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.